Right. Take the batteries out just in case. If you haven't seen my videos on these lithium-ion batteries, I've already said 4.2 volts fully charged, rated at 3.7, but think about it as 4.2. So we need 7.5 volts. I'm giving it about 8.5, so overvolting it slightly. And these yellow things are just dummies. They're just straight through straps. They're not batteries. Right, it's actually missing a screw there. I don't think I did a teardown on this. I can't find it in my files. If I did do a teardown, I didn't call it anything to do with the Infiniti, because I searched for Infiniti and I could only find 2 previous videos. The original one where I was showing you what I bought in the charity shop, because for those of you who've been with me a long time will know that I used to do most of my videos based on what I could go and find cheap in charity shops. But certainly for the last year and a bit, since last March, we haven't been doing any charity shopping because they've all been shut. And I probably wouldn't want to go in them anyway at the moment. So, is that going to come out nicely? Looks like the back comes up first and the bottom unclips. Okay, what have we got underneath? Okay, lighting. Fairly straightforward. That rather nice interior. I wonder if we might just have a peek at the interior before we do anything else. Excuse my hand being in the way. I was just rather impressed with that interior detail. I've seen a few other Rastar cars, and they do seem to go in for the detail. I've no idea what sort of price range these are when they're new. I would guess they're probably not the cheapest. Right. Okay, so that's the black wire's the aerial. And we've got clear plastic for the windows. And then there's our interior. Even got a sat nav there. I don't know if the camera will pick that up. And you've got the instrument details in the binnacle there. Oh. Sun's come out now. It's probably too dark to see anything because the camera will compensate. Inside of the doors with the door handles. Yeah, a nice bit of interior work there. Right, I'll stop the camera and screw that back in. I said I'd stop the camera, but I just noticed one other little bit of detail. A proper mirror. It actually has shiny stuff in it. It's a rear view mirror. And oh, that one's lost its shiny bit. That's probably me smashing it into things. That one's still got its mirror. Yeah, see, nice bit of detail. Right, I'll put the top back together. What should we look at next? I'll just pop the receiver board out, see if it's got a date on it at all. Well, that says from the looks of it, 0209 21600.00350, which doesn't necessarily mean anything. And down here it says YH081021. Which could be 2008, October 21st. Could be. So it might have been made in 2008. I suppose that label will come off easily. Just be interesting to know what chip it is, but no, I'll leave it on there. I would guess it's an ordinary RX2 chip. I think I've got this one working with other controllers. $40 megahertz. I'll just go and get another 40 megahertz controller. Just trying another random controller that's 40 megahertz. So yeah, I should think that's a standard RX2 chip. I just noticed doing that, if I stop one wheel turning, the other wheel still turns, so it's got a differential in the back there, which always impresses me, makes it just that bit better. Right, I'll put that back in place, and then we'll have a look at the steering next. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.